Chikam day 9 lecture razi. The last topic kimung open-ended question ya WH question study kariyo. We are going to study about yes-no questions. Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hamid Talash Talks. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about yes-no questions or close-ended questions. The last topic kimung open-ended question ya WH question study kariyo. Panananay lecture ki chikam day 9 lecture razi. The 30 days course, crash course per day 9 lecture ki we are going to study about yes-no questions. Many students, they know yes-no question, but still they commit mistakes in that. Biyahum agay mistake kavi. So let's learn about yes-no question or close-ended questions, that how are we going to structure that and how should we answer it. For example, you are asking question in yes no with do and does. Do you go to school? Yes, I do. This is the complete answer. Does she play cricket? Yes, she does. Now, a common mistake that usually students are committing or students commit, what they say, do you have a pen? Yes, I have. It's wrong. Yes, I do. Do you have a class? Yes, I have. Wrong. Yes, I do. You need to answer it that way. For example, you're asking yes-no question in the past. Did you go to school? Yes, I did. Yes, I do is wrong. Question chipper did ki washi, answer ba ki ba did razi. Question chipper do ki washi, answer ki ba do razi. Like do you go to school? No, I don't. Do you have a pen? No, I don't. No, I have not is wrong. It's not the appropriate answer. Have you taken your class? Yes, I have. Yes, I do, but we are wrong. Do you want to take the class? Yes, I want. No. Yes, I do. That's how you are going to ask and answer. If question is with have or has, you need to say with yes, no, have. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Yes, it has. No, it hasn't. If the question is with do, you need to say, yes, I do. No, I don't. If the question is with did, yes, I did. No, I didn't. If you want to give additional answer, for example, do you have a class? No, I don't. I will have a class after 2 hours. I'll have a class in the evening. You can give additional information, but first you need to agree or disagree here. Daltaba yes no sara jawab varke. This is called close-ended question. In our childhood, usually when we were committing mistakes, mung bachikala yo mistake kawalo no mung to biya parents sawel che mata bapa aw na ki jawab rakhe. It means yes no chidakar shave dekana. For example, do you play cricket? Yes, I do. There is zarurat nishta, close-ended, they closely ba answer, okay. Information tapos na kai. When someone is asking information, last tutorial ki aga mung study kado chi the WH question sir answer, okay. Did student answer kai da the communication ethics ki hum razi. This is also a part of the communication ethics. Chita da gana yes no question kya ta information dar ki. No, it is wrong. Usually students are committing mistake in their interview. Aga interview ki da mistake kai college interview takini interviewer tana pa professional time ki that suppose kai che what do you do in your hobbies, or what are your hobbies? No at urtoi che my hobbies are this and that information or kai aw ka or that question kai che do you go for book reading is a hobby? Yes, I do. No, I don't. That's all. Yes, I do. No, I don't. This is answer. The detail answer na sure tor kole. That's how you need to focus on understanding of yes no question. But these topics we did easy. Hopa ke mung dono gat mistakes so kuch, then that is not called mistake. That is called blunder. So let's save ourselves from committing mistakes in blunders. Thank you. Keep watching Hamid Talash Talks. In coming tutorials, I'm gonna guide you about more interesting and amazing topics. Stay blessed and stay happy.